Cleopatra and Julius Caesar, A2 English story. Cleopatra is the queen of Egypt. Egypt is a rich and powerful country. Many people want to control it. Cleopatra has enemies in her own family. They fight against her for power. In the end, Cleopatra loses her position. Cleopatra must leave Egypt. She is alone and in danger. She feels afraid, but she does not give up. At the same time, Julius Caesar comes to Egypt. He is a powerful Roman leader. Many people respect and fear him. Cleopatra knows she must act quickly. She decides to meet Julius Caesar. She believes he can help her. But going to the palace is very dangerous. Her enemies are there. They want to stop her. Cleopatra thinks carefully and makes a plan. She hides inside a carpet. The carpet is taken into the palace. When Julius Caesar opens the carpet, he is very surprised. Cleopatra appears in front of him. She stays calm and confident. Cleopatra speaks to Julius Caesar about her situation. She explains her problems clearly. She asks for his support. Julius Caesar listens carefully. He sees that Cleopatra is intelligent and brave. He begins to respect her. In the end, Julius Caesar decides to help Cleopatra. With his support, she returns to power. She becomes queen again. Cleopatra wins without a battle. She does not use an army. She uses her intelligence. Today, Cleopatra is remembered as a clever and strong queen. Her story is famous around the world. It shows the power of intelligence.
Comprehension questions.
1. Who is Cleopatra? Cleopatra is the queen of Egypt. 2. Why does Cleopatra lose her power? She loses her power because her enemies fight against her. 3. Who is Julius Caesar? Julius Caesar is a powerful Roman leader. 4. Why does Cleopatra want to meet Julius Caesar? She wants his help to return to power. 5. Why is the palace dangerous for Cleopatra? Her enemies are there and want to stop her. 6. What plan does Cleopatra make? She hides inside a carpet to enter the palace. 7. How does Cleopatra speak to Julius Caesar? She speaks calmly and clearly. 8. Why does Julius Caesar decide to help Cleopatra? Because he sees that she is intelligent and brave. 9. How does Cleopatra win her power back? She wins her power back by using intelligence, not force.